So we have format specifications: %d decimal for integer, %f float, %c character, and %s string, %o octal, %x hexadecimal, and so on. A simple format specification is having the format %w.p and type specifier. %w specifies the minimum field width, and t specifies the value to be printed in an integer. If it is integer, yeah, %wd. If it is float, %w.p followed by f or followed by e. Similarly, we have for single character %wc, and for string it is %w.ps. P instructs that only the first p characters of the string are to be displayed. So we'll be seeing we'll see with some examples here. Look at %d. So printf %d, if your input is 9876, what are the different formats? Look at the output. So %6d, 6d means total 6 spaces allotted, and as we have only 4 digits, the left hand side 2 are spaces. Look at the boxes clearly. %2d is of no change. -6d, -6d. Look at the justification. -6d. So those 2 spaces are on the right hand side. %06d, 6d, total 6 allotted field width. Out of we have only 4 digits, 9876, so remaining are filled with zeros. So look at this %f format specification. %f float. If your input is 98.7654, so let y is equal to 98.7654 and see the various format codes of scanf statement. Printf here. So printf %7.4f. Look at the boxes. Total number of boxes are 7. .4 means after decimal point you are allowed with only 4 digits. Look at the second one, %7.2f. After decimal point only 2 digits are allowed. And as we know, %-7.2f, we get spaces on the right hand side. %10.2e, exponential format. 10.2e. So 98.7654 is converted into 9.88 multiplied by 10 to the power of 1. So %s string. If your input string is New Delhi, NEW space DELHI space 110001. So check out how many characters including blanks. 16, I think. So %s, look at the %s notation. %20s, %20s, total allotted 20, out of which we have only 16 characters, so 4 are left blank on the left hand side. So check out the remaining also. So for string it is %w.ps. As I told you, w is field width for display, and p instructs that only the first p characters of the string are to be displayed. So if it is 20.10s means only 10 characters to be displayed.